Alright y'all, welcome back to another trade recap. This is for Friday morning's trade, Friday the 25th. I am currently filming this at 12:30 a.m. on a Saturday. Yeah, I didn't have time to do it this morning, so we're getting it done right now. But yeah, so we took longs this morning and we pretty much banked on longs. I did take a L on the first trade, but then I was confident enough to re-enter again on longs once again, which that's what I wanted. But yeah, let's get into today's trade recap, or yesterday's recap, I guess. So yeah, coming into the 4 hour, we're really just kind of chopping around right here. We have all this accumulation right here, ES, kind of the same stuff, you know, but we still have this 4 hour that we held from yesterday. We kept bouncing back from it. So, I mean, I didn't have that marked out. Well, I did, but from yesterday. So we can mark that out. We go on the 1 hour. I kind of, like I said, all my videos, I already have everything marked. I don't mark them again. But yeah, so coming in, 8 o'clock, market open. Okay, boom. We have this low, which is London low, sell side. We have more sell side, and then we have more sell side down here. All that's marked. Same thing on ES. We have London lows marked, more sell side. Yeah, same thing buy side. We have London highs that we're not taking out yet. We do have a bunch, not a bunch, but we have two. So this is a 1 hour fair value gap right here. We have another small one right here. Let me stretch this out. Alright, bam. So yeah, same thing on ES. These 1 hour fair value gaps, boom, right here. So yeah, so coming into the morning, 8:30. Where are we at? Okay, boom. 8:30. So boom, we have our London highs, London lows, all marked out. You can see that on NQ we did take out London lows at 8 o'clock. We took out London lows at 8 o'clock. Oops. We took out London lows at 8 o'clock, and yeah, but nothing much from there. So we just waited patiently till market opened. Market opened at 8:30. My first L was right here, taking this long. I wasn't patient enough, honestly. Let me go to ES 8:30. Yeah. So I took a long, honestly, way too early. I took a long right here off this small inverse. Let me mark this out. Yeah, so I took a long at 8:33. This was my first trade that I obviously ended up getting stopped out on. But yeah, so I entered long right here. Especially since we took out this low, I was pretty confident that, well, I wanted longs all morning, but yeah, I was pretty confident after we swept this low that we were gonna go up. Especially how, like you can see here, we held it at first, moved down a little bit, but then eventually closed above it. So this is the first trade that I took. Stop loss was like somewhere around there. Got stopped out right away. Waited a little bit more. As you can see, we got used as liquidity down here. So once we got that low swept, I for a fact knew that I knew for sure that we were gonna take out these highs, especially since London highs were untouched. So yeah, we waited patiently after getting stopped out. I believe we have a SMT too, if I'm not wrong. Let me see. Yeah, we do. ES was very choppy this whole morning. But yeah, we got these lows right here that never got swept on ES. But NQ did sweep them out, therefore causing an SMT. SMT, we got a high time frame liquidity taken out. We already know that the draw is higher, so boom, this is my second entry of the day. Inverse this, 1 minute. Boom, entered it on longs. Stop was somewhere below the inverse. My TP was London High, so that was a cool almost 30 points that we took this morning. You could have held to minimum the first fair value gap right here that we have marked out, the 1 hour. That obviously you can see we ran up all the way to these highs, but I never hold that long. I always take my low hanging fruit, which for me was the London High. So yeah, that's what I took today for about, like I said, 30 points. You can see it was very good trade, not that much of drawdown. And yeah, Confluence is what we're at. Confluences, we're in this 4 hour that we've been bouncing off of literally all day. Why is this not working? All day you can see we've been bouncing off since yesterday, so I was expecting to hold bullish. We got 1 hour low swept, London low swept, SMT at the lows, inverse. So yeah, 4 hour, high time for liquidity, SMT, and inverse. There's 4 confluences right there, which I was confident enough to take this trade. And let me turn on my executions. Where are my executions? Yeah, so you can see here the first trade I took it off this inverse, got stopped out. Second entry off the inverse, rode it all the way up here to London highs. And yeah, we banked. It doesn't show I'm green because it is Saturday. I am filming this a little late, like I said, but yeah, we made like $800 on this. It should have been more, but the first L I took kind of subtracted it out. But yeah, so pretty much that was a trade for Friday. Hope you guys had a good trading day. Enjoy y'all weekends. Don't be on the chart too much, because that really messes you up, honestly. When I used to be glued to the charts, it's not good. So yeah, take a break from the charts, go enjoy your weekend, and we're back at it on Monday.